Hi, I'm Cap Brown, owner of Newly Restored. You know, one question we hear a lot when it comes to our Christmas light installation is, do I own the lights or am I leasing them? Well, at Newly Restored, we use a lease model, and here's why we believe that it's the better choice. You see, when you lease your lights, year one's costs are pretty much the same as if you were to purchase them. Year two and beyond, however, you'll save up to 25% off your original cost. And this cost includes installation, takedown, storage, maintenance, any design work, and free light replacements. In other words, if a light bulb goes out, we fix it. If a new light needs to be replaced, even an entire string, we'll replace them at no additional cost to you. And when you buy your lights, starting in year two, any installation, design, updates, maintenance, visits, takedown, storage, or even replacing lights that burn out is going to be additional. Purchasing is much more of a hands-on approach. There's more work, more coordination, and more costs on your part over time. This is why leasing is the model that we tend to choose. And our leasing model means that there's no stress, there's no surprise costs, just a beautiful, worry-free display year after year. So give us a call at 717-203-3400 or visit our website at newlyrestored.com for your free estimate. And let's make your holidays bright the easy way.